Hello, hi, my name is Norma Galloway. I'm a professional organizer in Charlotte, North Carolina. The name of my business is Savvy Zen Organizer. The name of my website is savvyzenorganizations.com. If this is your first time to my website and watching these videos, welcome to my site. If not, and you're back for another view, thank you for coming back. So today I went into IKEA and I just took a look at some decorative pieces that they have there for storage. And I found so many amazing things and got inspired by all the decorative items I saw there. So as you can see, there is a lot of tips and tricks you can use for decorating your space and making it cozy and comfortable, and also utilizing the space that you have in your home, whether it's a small place or a large place, just to make it multifunction purposes. So when you get in furniture pieces, even if it's not from IKEA, and I'm not sponsoring their products at all. I'm just showing you some things that I saw today that I enjoyed watching and looking at. So just keep that in mind. You have your choice to buy whatever you want, wherever you like. But today we're just going to be taking a look at some of the items IKEA has, just to give you some information and maybe to inspire you to go figure out how to use the space that you have in your home. Maybe some items that you already have in the home that you maybe didn't realize that you can use in these certain kind of ways for storage. So you can avoid purchasing items that you already have. But when I'm looking at storage items, think about what I already have in my home and rethink how I'm utilizing that piece of furniture. So if I have a piece of decorative furniture in the house, I can use that to store things like I would find here in IKEA. And they have a lot of shelving and stuff like that. I have a lot of stuff because I'm a female and I love to shop, and I'm probably borderline hoarding when it comes to toiletry items and clothing and shoes, But it's I keep my house very clean and organized, and I just have a lot of things that I probably should still get rid of. Hold on to them. I keep my things for 12 months, and then I every 12, not even 12 months, every 6 months, I will reevaluate what I have in my home, in my closet. In the closet and my shoes are my biggest thing of trying to keep them scaled down so I'm not over extending the closet and just making it cluttered. So I'm always organizing my closet. So look how organized this looks. That's a beautiful setup, real simple and clean. Of course we have more things than this in our homes, but I am going to be showing another video soon of how I'm going to be purging my closet for the 5th time because, I'm always accumulating things because I love clothing, I love shoes, and that's how I spend my little extra funds shopping for myself to make myself happy. So, the storage bins and things like that you see here in the kids' rooms and stuff like that. If you have things in your home, and we all do, you just want to make sure that there's a place for everything. And if once you have a place for everything, and I mean not just going out keep buying storage bins to put stuff in, but if you got stuff in your office, you can use tubs and just kind of make the space streamline and utilize the storage systems that are in the stores that you can find to just make everything nice and tidy and neat. You should know where everything is, and it should be a place for that item. So this is why I like to show videos and stuff like that about how to organize and keep things tidy in the home. And, not encouraging you to purchase anything. Just think about what you already have in your home and just kind of utilize the space more effectively. And that is why I like to look, because there may be space in my house. Even though I'm a professional organizer, sometimes I look at a space and I rethink the whole space and I'll just reorganize it. I love doing that. I can do it over and over again. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. And if you need any more questions, you have any questions or you need some answers or something, please give me a call. Check my websites out. Leave me a message, comment. I'll be glad to help you. My website, again, is savvyzenorganizations.com. There you will find information about my services, and you can book online if you're interested in consultation with me. All right, so thank you for watching again. Have a good day. Like, share, enjoy. Take care. Bye.